Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to introduce you to a game changer for your gardening experience, the Plant Assistant. This innovative solution is designed to tackle your gardening problems effortlessly. With the Plant Assistant, gardening becomes not just easy but also enjoyable. So who exactly is this for? First up, we have busy people. If you're juggling work, family, and social commitments, the last thing you want to worry about is whether your plants are getting enough water. Next, we have those who might consider themselves a bit lazy when it comes to plant care. And that's okay, we all have our strengths, and this product helps you enjoy greenery without the hassle. Then there are the plant lovers out there, those who have accumulated quite a collection. If you've got too many plants, it can be overwhelming to keep track of their needs. And lastly, let's not forget our travelers. If you're frequently on the go, this is a game changer for ensuring your plants stay healthy while you're away. So whether you're busy, a bit lazy, a plant enthusiast, or someone who travels often, the Plant Assistant is designed with you in mind. Now let's move on to how this actually works. The Plant Assistant is an innovative solution that waters your plants on time, providing just the right amounts of water they need to grow. It features special filters that keep away unwanted molecules, ensuring your plants get only the cleanest water. Plus, it even acts as a mosquito repellent, addressing two common gardening headaches in one go. So how could a plant assistant change the way you garden? The product features a plant reservoir and connecting tubes. The reservoir is designed to hold enough water to sustain plants for up to a month. The small discrete tubes link the reservoir to the soil pots. An electronic timer in the reservoir allows you to set the interval between waterings and adjust the water amount according to your plant size. You have the option to buy up to 3 connecting tubes. For those with more plants, the XXL version is available, offering additional connecting tubes and a larger reservoir. The battery life extends up to 3 years. Our product is available in various colors and sizes to complement your living space, with the tubes remaining unobtrusive. On top of its amazing watering schedule, the water unit is designed to filter water effectively, ensuring your plants receive clean water every time. It delivers just the perfect amount of water. This means no excess, which directly translates to fewer mosquitoes around your home. Lastly, it's incredibly affordable at just $10 for a reusable unit that lasts up to 3 years, and it's made from recyclable materials and is biodegradable. Plus, 25% of profits go to humanitarian aid. This product not only helps your plants thrive, but also supports a greater cause. Thank you for considering how this can benefit you and your community. Assalamu alaikum.